Good morning, everyone. I thought I would do a quick video on how to apply fringe to a pillow. And so I created this collage using a pattern that I got off of Etsy. I'll put the link for that in the description. This is a quilting collage, and this is a donkey. It's supposed to look like a donkey. I made it for a friend of mine that has little mini donkeys, but I wanted to put some fringe on it, and I wanted to show you guys how to do that. So I got this fringe on Amazon, and as you can see, there is thread in it right here. And I was like, that is not what I wanted. I wanted fringe. But I soon realized that this thread is on here and it comes off very easy. But it helps you sew this on without the fringe going all different directions. So I'll put a link for this fringe in the description. But let me just cut a little piece off so I can show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to set this aside. So there's a little thread right here on the end, and you just gently pull that, if you can get a hold of it. Maybe it's the other side. Of course, it's not going to come off, like I said. There we go. You just have to get a hold of it. All right, now you can see that it's a pretty fringe. The problem with this, and most fringes don't come like that, is that when you're sewing it down, it gets twisted, and it might even, you know, just kind of sew upon each other, and it doesn't look as good. So anyway, I thought that was kind of cool, a cool feature of this fringe. All right, so what we want to do is we want to sew this to the edge of the right side of the pillow. And remember, this is the side that's going to be going inside or in towards the pillow. This edge is where we're going to sew it down. So I would recommend sewing it down or basting it using a zipper foot, or even a 1/4 inch foot for your sewing machine, so that you can kind of guide it along this very edge. And so you're going to go all the way around the pillow, and when you get to the corners, you're just going to do a little bit of a kind of like, I don't know if you have done any binding, but kind of like you would do on the corners. Just turn it in and work your way around. See, I just made a little bend there. And then sew it all the way around the pillow. We'll come back after I get that done. And there it is, all done. That's the front. You can see the fringe. And here's the back.